All right, let's make this Jamaican Easter bun, because if you are still buying them dry toasty bun from the store, you are missing out on something. So gather your ingredients, because if you can make porridge, if you can fry dumpling, if you can knead dumpling, you can make your bun, because you have all these ingredients right into your cupboard. So you want to get 1 bottle of Malta or Guinness if that's your choice. Add 2 tablespoons of browning, add 1 tablespoon of molasses, spice it up as how you would spice up your porridge with your vanilla, your mixed spice, your almond, your rose water. Just add the 2. I also added 1 tablespoon of jam. Then I'm going to remove the ice from my eggs, and that's 2 eggs you're going to use. Don't pour in the eggs as yet. You're going to put that mixture along with about 2 tablespoons of butter into the microwave, let it melt and let everything combine. Next, I'm going to grate some rind of a lemon into my eggs to cut out the rawness. After you remove that from the microwave, just let it warm in and make it boil up. Just let it warm up a bit. Then I add that to the eggs. I also add about 2 tablespoons of oil. Pour that into your bowl, and now you're going to mix in your flour along with your spices again, and 1 tablespoon of baking powder. So to my spice, in my spices, I have cinnamon, nutmeg, allspice, and a little bit of ginger. You know, as Caribbean people, we don't measure everything, so I can't really tell you the exact measurement of the spices, and I can't really tell you the exact measurement of the fruits that I added. You add your fruits until you feel like you don't want no more fruits. If you want to use raisin, mixed spice, cherries, I use a little bit of everything. And this is 3 cups of flour total combined. You're going to grease or line your baking tin, and you're going to pour your mixture into it. Now everything is nicely mixed in. We have that deep flavor, that balance of sweet, spice, everything just right. Then into the oven it goes. And this part I love the most. When it's all done, remove it from the baking tin, and then you're gonna base it, brush it. I added some jam and a little bit of water. I bake it at 350 degrees for about an hour, and this is the results. Warm, sweet, comforting. Ooh, look at the color, look at the texture. Perfect. This isn't just baking. This is a tradition, and you need to go try it. Pull out the ingredients them. Stop being afraid of baking. You can do this. I got you.